Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one ingredient that will help thicken your hair if your hair is thinning. It also helps in hair growth, so keep watching to see how I made this. This ingredient I'm talking about is clove. Clove is high in antioxidants. Some people use it to treat teeth problems. Clove is a spice. It can also be used in so many dishes. It can be used to solve so many problems. You can browse it out. Do your research, carry out an experiment to know what clove is all about. I'm trying to break the cloves into smaller pieces. You can use a blender. You can also boil the cloves like that. Put water into a pot and allow to boil. I usually spray this on my hair every day. This clove water will help to thicken your hair. No matter the type of hair you have, all you need to do is spray this on your hair. You can decide to spray this water once in a week or as you like. So guys, this is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.